Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Ken, and today I want to talk to you about the humble, the little mushroom. And I'm talking about the basic, simple white mushroom. It's got a bum rap. Basically, everybody prefers the shiitakes, the portobellos, or as a buddy of mine says, the portobellas. But anyway, I want to talk about the button mushroom. It's gotten shit on for so many years. People, I don't know why they don't like using it, or they're afraid to use it, or they think it's just too humble. Well, today I'm going to show you a simple and fantastic way to prepare them, and it's going to knock your socks off. It's simple, it's fast, and it's super delicious. All right, first things first. Get our pan going here. I want to get our pan heating up here. It's all going to happen right here, right now. And to start us off, I'm going to be using some bacon as part of the flavor profile. As our rule for cleanliness and hygiene, I always like using my red meat acrylic cutting board for this. Believe me, unless you want to go to the hospital, you don't want to be messing with this. So just get a sharp knife and just cut your bacon up into slices or small bits. Nothing, it doesn't have to be anything fancy at all. It will work perfectly just like that. And let's face it, what doesn't go with bacon? So I'm going to take this, and there's our sizzle, baby. That's what I love. So now I'm done with this, the bacon. I'm going to set aside my cutting board and the knife I was using for the bacon. Get that off and rendering. The next part of this that's going to go in, actually, correction, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or two of my Greek extra virgin olive oil to this. Kind of get everything kind of rendering down and happening. Perfect, just like that. I'm going to take one onion, and I'm just going to slice it. Nice thin slices, and my onion will go in there. In what universe does onion and bacon not go? All right, as that's working down, the next thing to go in is a couple of garlic cloves. And all I'm going to do really is just smash them with the palm of my hand and just put them in whole. That's all you have to do. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Next thing is a little bit of cracked black pepper goes in. I will tell you, for this recipe, I'm not using any salt at all. I find there's going to be enough salt in the bacon. As well, I'm going to garnish after with a little bit of feta. I know, can't forget of the feta. And what I'm going to do there is, again, up the sodium level. So for me, this is good right there. Perfect. Just like that, we're ready to go for the star of our show. I'm using, again, like I said, the white button mushrooms. I'm going to add these in whole. I like a little bit of bite or a little bit of chunkiness to my meal. And besides, we're not like four here. We can handle our own knife and put these mushrooms in here, and they're going to be absolutely fantastic. Just like that. And just mix them around. Perfect. This is already starting to smell like $1,000,000. Next thing that I'm going to add in here is a little semi-dry thyme. Thyme, mushrooms, bacon, onion. Yep, exactly. That is exactly where I'm going with this. It is fantastic. Smelling awesome. Give that a quick toss here. Just toss it up and keep tossing it. And let's kick up the heat a little bit. I'm going to use about a tablespoon or so of sriracha sauce. I like a little heat. This is totally optional, whatever you prefer, totally cool. All right, so now our mushrooms are done. They're done to absolute perfection. And just place them on a plate, just like that. Very easy, nothing to this at all. So here is our mushrooms, beautifully finished. they're smelling like $1,000,000 in here. Really, really good. The next thing, I want to garnish these a little bit. I know, typically Greeks don't garnish shit, but I'm just telling you, it's going to add a little bit of beauty to the plate, and that's a little bit of feta. I love feta, and I use it in every way that I can. So I'm just going to take some feta and just very, very sparingly just break it up over this. And look how beautiful, absolutely beautiful that looks. And it makes such a nice contrast, and that's what I love about this. So that, my friends, is my sauteed button mushrooms with a little bacon, onion, nothing to this at all, a little bit of feta. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick episode on my mushrooms. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, I'm Ken. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.